Thank you. I thank Honourable Member for the question regarding the Nautolulu Dora Road in Wainunumbua. Dora access, according to information provided, is 4.2 kilometers in length from the main Kumbalau Road towards the coast, while now Totololo is 810 meters side road from Dora access. Most of these are on freehold properties within the Tikin of Wainunumbua, and currently it's not part of the program, but we have worked closely with the Ministry of Rural through the Commissioner's Office in terms of addressing some of the concerns of the residents there. So access into freehold property is an issue in terms of the various families who are there, and some at times have fenced off part of their portion. And we're looking at further discussions on that in terms of they will need to surrender a portion of the land for the road if we need to move it to make it a public access. So that's something we'll need to further discuss with the freehold landowners. Thank you.